Let's get it, y'all.
One of the story time, and I'm fresh out work. Like y'all, they been giving me 12 to 18 hour shifts. So yeah, I'm back. This story time about me catching armed robbery on my 21st birthday.
On your what?
Which is the indictment that's pinned on my TikTok page or whatever. So this happened February 18, 2024. So I ended up making a group chat. I was telling my homegirls like, hey y'all, I'm finna have an Airbnb party for my birthday and I need all y'all hoes there. So I don't really have a lot of fucking friends. So it was only really like 5, 6.
Just a bunch of hoes.
There. The rest, it was just us inviting guys. So we in a group chat. I get my trip to book the Airbnb. He paid for my hair, nails, outfit, everything, shoes. He paid for everything. At the time, I'm working doing taxes. So, but still, I still have to pay for my own shit. So then I had ended up goddamn just, getting everything situated for my party. So I'm calling my best friend, like, come help me set up. Like, let's get this shit together. And my homegirl supposed to be coming from Chicago, too. And we just supposed to be having everything together for the birthday party. It's getting closer to, February 18th. So I'm texting my homegirls, like, hey, we not going to mix niggas. Like, we not going to, just be inviting anybody. And, because, in Atlanta, like, you mix a gang of niggas, like, shit bound to go down. You never know who the fuck people with.
Okay,
we ain't gonna mix.
I was wondering what the hell she meant by like mixing niggas. I'm like, I thought they was talking because she said hoes. So I'm thinking that they gonna be swapping dudes.
Somebody, we just gonna keep inviting niggas back to back, like gangs back to back. We had every gang in that bitch when they was coming back.
And then they said, hold up. She said it was only 5 girls, and how many dudes are they? What?
Back when nobody just freestyling that bitch for a little too long. Hell no. So we all agree that we ain't gonna mix no niggas. Like if we want to invite some vibes, we all just gonna invite our vibes back to back and shit like that. And that's what the fuck we was supposed to do.
She like that.
But somebody had to be overly freaky.
Her.
I said, hold up, wait a minute.
And never fucking fail. So boom, I asked my best friend like, come help me set up, shit like that. And my homegirl was already in town. She came the night before. So she really did help me set up the party and stuff like that. So we set up the party. I'm cooking. I'm making wings, nachos. We made wings, rotel. We had drinks, liquor, everything. Like, the shit was...
You don't cook nachos, right? I mean, you cook the ground beef, I guess.
The party was lit. No bullshit.
Hood rat shit.
So the party lit, we chilling, we started drinking, and I ain't even started drinking all talk because I was in that bitch cooking for so fucking long, all that fucking food. So it's getting like everybody's gonna start coming in a minute and shit like that. So we invite the first group of niggas.
Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, so I was right. So they're gonna be okay. So I was right and I was wrong. So they're gonna be bringing groups of dudes to the house. So they could do stuff with them, or they could party with. Like, I know they're not just bringing them there just to party with them. Like, they're just bringing 6 dudes at a time. Okay, we're gonna be with them for 3 hours. We're gonna be with them for 2 hours. We're gonna be with them, then like tell them to leave. Like, I'm so confused. I hope she really gets into this because I'm so confused.
Second group of niggas drinking them, chill them, and then it's like we really was just inviting niggas and drink with them and chilling with them. So my homegirl was fucking with this dude that she used to fuck with in Atlanta, like way before she moved back to Chicago. And that was my partner too, because we used to always be around each other. But she wanted to see him because, he been doing good and she wanted to see her little folks. So he was like, he ain't coming to the next day. So we partying, inviting people, having a ball, just chilling, vibing. Boom. Crazy shit go down. Like, dumb shit. It didn't go down yet. I'm just over exaggerating. But
hey yo, I can't stand her ass. I want that ball buckler. That's why I'm just sitting there. She like, crazy shit went there. Okay, yeah. Okay, oh yeah. I'm like, God, it really. Okay, I'm sorry. They paused.
My best friend ended up having sex with my big brother.
Wait a minute.
Stay tuned.
Wait, what? She did what? She did what?
My best friend ended up having sex with my big brother. The first night my brother spent the night or whatever. my best friend ended up having sex with my big brother.
So your brother was a part of the dudes that y'all was inviting? What
Stay
the fuck
tuned.
is
That
going on?
shit's one body. That was fucked. That day.
What? Bro, what are you doing?
Stay tuned, because that's just one body. That was fucked. That day.
What?
Bro came in there smashing
Bro, what are you
everything.
talking about, man?
So, after that, my brother was like, bro, I did not want to fuck that bitch. She forced herself on me. Mind you, my brother had a girlfriend at the time. My brother ain't even no cheating ass nigga. Like, he loved his bitch.
Shut
his
up.
Bitch, I
Shut.
say that she took my brother down. He did not want to be took down. Like, what the fuck wrong with her?
And then what if your brother was trying to get back with his ex? It was because of that night they broke up. And then now he ain't never gonna get back with her because you just told on his ass. Snitching ass.
So, boom, next morning, my brother just get up and leave. He like, I'm gone. Like, I ain't trying to be around that hoe no more. That hoe just overly freaky. She just won't leave me the fuck alone. So, boom, my fucking big brother ended up leaving.
Okay, so
boom,
bro
now
didn't take him
it's
down.
Me and my homegirl, her. We got a 3-bedroom Airbnb, and yeah, we all got our own shit. So the second day, my brother them like, oh, we take you out for your birthday, so just let her know we all ready. This, that, we finna go out. So we had ended up going to some. We was finna go to some club or whatever, but somehow she happy for that. Like I said, my homegirl was in town. She wanted to see her little boo, so he was gonna come over and shit like that.
Tell a story, girl.
He didn't come over to that second day of that night. The second day he came over. The second day at night, whatever. The first day he did not come. So the second day come, my boy best friend come over. So I'm introducing my girl best friend to my boy best friend. They never seen each other. They never met or whatever. So she just like, oh, this your boy best friend. She like that, chilling with him. And my boy best friend ended up fucking her too. So that's her second body. And
Wait, the same girl got two bodies? But you sure you ain't had nothing to do with this? Cause keep going.
So on top of that, she got to argue with me over my boy best friend. Mind you, me and my boy best friend been fucking for years. So like, it's like she really like, oh,
Wait.
over my boy best friend. So on top of that,
Wait.
she got to argue with me over my boy best friend. Mind you, me and my boy best friend been fucking for years.
What? Shout out to the boy best friend and the brother. Yo, they came in. Okay, this is weird.
So like,
This is weird.
it's like she really like, oh, I can fuck your boy best friend. It was a weird ass.
It's
energy.
weird.
I could not put my finger on what the fuck's wrong with that bitch, but she was starting shit with me like a motherfucker, and it was just so weird because it's like, bitch, I get niggas. Like, is you cool? The hell? So boom, like I told y'all, the second day, my homegirl little partners end up coming over that night. When they come over that night, her little folks end up coming over that night. He end up bringing his partners and shit like that. So we all chilling with the whole gang. The whole gang there. We chilling, smoking, vibing, drinking, like passing around big ass Don Julio bottles. Yeah, vibing like that shit was a time. A time was being had. This part of the story comes to an end, but y'all, part 2, cause it's finna go down. What the fuck happened? It's finna go the fuck down. Oh God.
Do she got a part 2 right after this? Cause this is not. This ain't it. This ain't it. Okay, so I don't even want to know how she went to jail at this point. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I don't even want to know how she went to jail. In some of the parts, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. In some of the parts, it seemed like it was a little made up. It seemed like she was reaching, like when she started looking over and all that stuff. Like I got this little thing about like psychology and all that stuff like that, and like face reading and like body movements and all that stuff like that. And like when people get nervous, they do certain tics and all that stuff like that. I don't know this woman, but still certain telltales. Okay. But she when she said hoes in the beginning, you know, sometimes they be playing when they say, oh, my hoes, them, but my bitches and this and that. She really meant her hoes for real. She wasn't playing. She was not playing when she said her hoes. She was not playing whatsoever. And hoes run with hoes. Hoes definitely run with hoes. And they already had a whole plan to do whole things in the hotel with hold'em on their mind. And when they did, and when she brought, they was in competition in hoeing. You know you a hoe and you could bring in other hoes around your schmackaroos that you be smacking and backing with. And you saying that y'all was in competition when I'm sure the way you telling this story right now, just the way you tell, not that you telling the story, it's the way you're telling this story, makes me assume that you already told your brother about every one of them girls in there. And you told him about your brother, you told your best friend who you smashing, who's really your fuck partner, about Shorty smashing your brother the night before. You think you did? You think y'all ain't talk about that? Or text about that, or whatever the case may be? You think if you telling us, you think you ain't tell him? So he already knew she was an easy crank. You almost was a liaison in this. You was like a madam in this almost. I'm a little curious to know if she was a madam. But this just came across my desk, man, and I found her channel. I'm not going to go look for part 2, man. If y'all want to go look for part 2, y'all do y'all thing. Matter of fact, let's go through these these comments a little bit. I'm learning how to edit, y'all. Okay, no, that's her. I know that's actually it. They laughing. Okay, so it wasn't that many comments through here. Wow. But this is yeah, this is the name of her page here, y'all. So if y'all want to go see. Wow. Okay, you know what? Here goes the part 2. Fuck it. I wasn't gonna watch the part 2. I was a little disgusted, but I already got y'all invested. I'm invested. Hopefully this doesn't get more crazier. And listen, I'm not judging in the sense of like hoe and being hoe. Like, be a hoe. I'm great. Y'all be hoes. Y'all do y'all thing. It's just the way she's telling the story. Like, she's leaving some things out. You know what I'm saying? Because there's definitely some holes in the story when it comes to, yeah, let's do part 2. Fuck it. Let's do part 2. I wasn't gonna do it, y'all. But I'm here now. I'm invested now. Why did it start in 2 minutes?
Yeah. Tell her that she.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, part 2 of my story time on how I got locked up on my 21st birthday. So, like I was telling my ex-best friend in my last video, she had ended up inviting a random. We had ended up going to the club with my partners, coming back, telling our other bros that they can come back to the B&B because we let them go to the B&B with us because they were beefing with our other partners and we didn't want to mix niggas like I been fucking said. So my best friend had fucked around and she invited a random nigga from the club and we had already had our folks back on the way and she didn't even tell us that she invited the niggas.
What?
So boom. She invited the nigga over, take him upstairs, fuck him too. And when she get done fucking him,
What the
What?
the other bros had already pulled up because they was already on the way because we had told them we was on the way back. So when we get back, well, when they end up coming, we downstairs chilling, shit like that. The nigga that my best friend ended up getting done fucking, he ended up walking down the stairs with her like, oh yeah, like.
So nobody else was nobody else was busting nothing down? Only your best friend? And y'all had dudes coming left and right? Come on now. I don't believe this. I'm sorry.
He just got him some cat, which that cat been used all fucking day. He was body 3 in 1 or 2 days. Like,
What do you mean by that?
But that's your homegirl though.
So
You know she's like that.
niggas like, oh, so the boys that's there, they're like, oh, bitch, we knew you was selling it. Shit like that. She's like, yeah, he just gave me $300 and shit like that. But y'all, the shit was crazy and fuck. So they all chilling, talking. They dick around the YNs we with. We thinking they older, but at the same time, all of us around the same age. But the niggas that she had ended up inviting back, the two niggas, they end up looking like a little older than us. But the whole time, the man was only like 23 or whatever.
Oh, look at that.
The goddamn, we fuck around, chilling, everybody chilling, vibing, we drinking, but we all drunk as fuck. We been drinking for a whole day straight. So my best friend ended up goddamn like, we all just downstairs just chilling. Next thing you know, the nigga was just too flashy or whatever, and the niggas was just like, get that shit up.
Wait.
So the nigga got took off at my party. So boom, these dumbass niggas forgot to rob the other fucking partner. So they only robbed one nigga. The other nigga, the nigga partner is just sitting on the couch.
How do you forget to rob somebody else? That sounds like a setup. You don't forget to rob the other person. You rob the other person. You don't forget to. Either you do or you don't. And you probably don't because you probably setting his ass up.
In there, like, his partner not getting robbed. I don't even think he wanted to even be known. Like, he even here. Like, the nigga was so fucking quiet, y'all. The nigga was quiet as fuck. Like, not saying shit. So, boom. They end up robbing the niggas, taking everything, phone, gun, wallet, and just kicking the niggas out. So.
Take his phone.
Okay,
taking phone.
So, yeah. They end up robbing the niggas, kicking them out or whatever. And after that, the nigga called the police because they forgot to rob the other partner. The other partner still had his phone and shit. The other partner called the police quick. So my drunk ass, everybody running out the motherfucking house. My drunk ass running too. I'm towed up on every liquor there is. Like, I don't know where the fuck I was going, but bitch, I've been running from the police my whole fucking life. So that shit was just like,
you ain't running from nothing
for some reason, because I ain't did the shit in so long. So my goofy ass over here running. I run through the motherfucking backyard. We all run through the backyard, girl. I'm talking about girl. We run through the backyard. Why the fuck everybody disappeared?
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. Cause
bitch, I ain't know where the fuck nobody went. So my goofy ass run through the backyard, hop the gate. And mind you, I felt like I was behind every fucking body. I felt like I was. These folks skated so fucking fast, drunk as hell. I don't know how the fuck they did it. But they had got my dumb ass gonna like sit down behind the house or whatever, knowing that APD is like blood in the scene. Like, what the fuck? Like, this you're going to jail. The whole fucking robbery, they flood in that bitch. Like, every fucking word. So they just come behind the house and they like, oh, we found somebody.
But why you running?
My green ass.
But why are you running? What the purpose? What's the purpose? I'm so confused. Why are you running if you wasn't the person that robbed them? You're in your Airbnb. So your name's on it, dummy.
Ass running through the woods, and I'm thinking one of my partners them done dropped their phone, girl. Why the fuck I picked up the nigga phone got robbed? They doing shit in the woods. Yup. Charged my stupid ass with that too. So they gave me armed robbery, aggravated assault, and a fucking gun charge. And I was mad as fuck about that shit, cause I woke up at Rice Street cold as hell. It was so motherfucking cold in that jail, and I ain't have on nothing but a poster girl outfit. With no shoes. I don't even know how the fuck I jump a gate and run through woods with no shoes on like I'm motherfucking Kunta Kinte or something. But I thought I was getting up through there, but they damn sure did catch my ass. And then they asked the nigga who got robbed, like, you want a birthday girl to go to jail? He like, hell yeah, she knew them niggas. I'm like, y'all get around them niggas too. Y'all knew them niggas too, shit. But yeah.
Got your ass. Hey, I've told you. I told y'all set up. Listen. Even if she didn't set him up, I felt like it would be a setup too. You get what I'm saying? Either you shorty know it, or he, your homeboy, or whatever she said back in the earlier part of the story. But I said setup. That's all I remember.
I had ended up going on the run and shit. I went on the run for a whole year, and my lawyer was just like, shit, keep running because everybody on your case got gang charges and shit. And you don't have no gang charges, but I still don't want you to travel with them. So You know, I stayed on the run for a long time until everybody caught their time and shit. Then I went to my trial by myself. And the prosecutor was just trying to make up shit, but I never had no record anyway, so that hoe couldn't really find nothing. So yeah, I beat the shit, and we got that old crazy ass shit that went down. Just cause one hoe want to be freaky head, want to fuck, can't stop fucking. I should add that pussy ass bitch in the motherfucking video, but bitch, when I catch you, I'm still gonna beat your ass. Thank ya.
Wait a minute. So she's blaming the friend for the dudes being robbed, and you picking up the other person's phone? Fuck they phone. I don't care who phone that is. If it ain't my phone, I ain't. So you picked up the phone and you start walking with it. You couldn't see that the screensaver ain't have like a girl face on it, because most of the girls got their own face on it because they vain as fuck. So they got their own face on they screensaver, which I think is the wildest shit ever. Most of these dudes don't have their face on their screensaver. They do that. That's a little fruity, and I ain't even talking about, oh no, you know, just weird, But yeah, it just seemed like some holes in the story. I don't think her friend was the only one that was freaking off. I think she was freaking off too. She just wasn't freaking off when her brother was there because she didn't want nothing to have. And was your brother your real blood brother, or was this a play brother? You know what I'm saying? Just like your best friend is really your play booty butt, your boot butt. So yeah, this is a whole house of hold'em. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say she got what she deserved, but should never pick that damn phone up, dummy. and homeboy ain't wrong for saying that he wanted to press charges on your ass too, because yeah, he felt like he wrong in the sense of, I probably wouldn't have did it. I probably just got your ass back. Real stuff. When it comes to stuff like that, getting robbed and all, like, yeah, fuck all that calling the police shit. Unless it's, you know, like family stuff involved. But like, if it's just me and you, and I know who you are, and I can find out who had what involved, you better believe I ain't calling no police. I'm coming to find your ass. Let me not say too much on here, man. Y'all, man, hit the hit tick in the blicker. This was a crazy one, man. Y'all see what's going on here? What they got in this comments here? Mind you, you done ran from your own Airbnb. That's exactly what I said. You ran from your own Airbnb. So you could have avoided this the whole time. But you ran from your Airbnb with your name on it to run through woods and jump gates. What? Okay. Just drunk as shit. Nah. I ain't never been that drunk where I'm running from my own I don't know. I done passed out drunk before once. But I'm get drunk to the point where you don't know where you going or where you at. Hell to the nah. Yeah, they talking about editing, just giving it out, whatever. Right, she just giving it out. I think they was all giving it out. I'm not saying that's. I'm assuming. I'm just going by because usually hoes run with the hoes. And then she's saying homeboy it. Just put it together. Anyway. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Urben Currse, man. I brought you back another one. Happy New Year, y'all. It's gonna be a good one, y'all. It's gonna be a good one, man. I was not gonna go a day without doing one of these videos, y'all. I'm definitely gonna be picking up a lot more. If y'all watch all the way to the ending of this video, comment 2026, y'all. Just hashtag 2026. You already know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If not, you gonna die.